Dear students and great FUNAABites, all protocols duly observed. It is my great pleasure to welcome you to the Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta FUNAAB, for this training. I wish to congratulate each and every one of you, first on having secured your university place, and second for having the good sense to choose to study in this great university. The Information and Communication Resource Center, ICT REC, coordinates all information and communication technology related activities on campus. As you know, ICT REC is a professional service center whose impact cuts across every segment of the university community. The center is an interdisciplinary organ of the university to support teaching, learning, research, instruction, and every other thing that has to do with computer. We also do what we call outreach to other segments of the university. Our center is ready to help you, and we have a list of activities for you new students. These activities will help you while you are pursuing your studies at the Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, FUNAAB. The first of this kind is called Virtual Learning Environment. This is what you are using at the moment. It is designed to take care of teaching and learning virtually. That is, you can be at different locations within the world, and yet you are as if you are in the four walls of a classroom. This platform that we have designed is capable to power distant learning programs and also to complement our traditional learning programs. Recently, we've also adopted Google Classroom for virtual learning. You also be introduced to what we call the University Portal. The address is portal.unaab.edu.ng. Let me say it again, portal.unaab.edu.ng. This is used to register and also to do all result processing for full and part-time students for the session. In addition, we also use it for postgraduate studies. It is deployed for regular postgraduate applications, for admission processing, for registration, and for all postgraduate prospective students. We also have in our services what we call the e-voting, the electronic voting. This is an internet-based application that we have developed and deployed for student government elections. We also developed what we call the Hostel Portal, which we can find in hostel.unaab.edu.ng. It's also an online hostel application for bed space allocation system. All these are automated. We also have what we call the FUNAAB payment platform. We call it in short, FUNAAB Pay. This was also deployed as a fee collection platform. That is, you don't have to queue in banks, you can pay by your ATM cards and the rest online. We also deploy what we call smart ID cards for both staff and students. More so, we have also deployed multimedia equipment across all lecture rooms, conferences. We use it for inaugural lectures, for seminars, and all other related activities on campus. We've gone a step higher by also creating what we call official email accounts for both students and staff. We have for undergraduate students, we have for postgraduate students. We also engage in training of our students on all these certifications like Cisco, IT Essentials, and so on. As you all know, this week is an orientation program week. And for the next few weeks, you will start using some of all these activities. But nevertheless, I want to give you these two pieces of advice. The first one is that you have to take responsibility of your learning. Now that we are in the new normal, with virtual learning environment that has taken up the learning space, most of you learning and indeed your life has to be structured along this line, along information technology. The objective of all this is clear: to ensure that we have social distancing and to also follow all COVID-19 preventive protocols. The second aspect is that you have to make most of your time at FUNAAB. No, as a student, one of the great things about university life is you have a range of new activities, new experiences that will be available to you. You have abundant opportunities to flourish as a student, and you must seize these opportunities. At the university, there are several opportunities that you can build upon as you learn and also as you do all other extracurricular activities. For us to recap, I would say that we need to take responsibility of our learning, that's one. Then we also need to make most use of our time at FUNAAB. And with these few words of advice that I've given you this morning, I wish you every success in FUNAAB, and I'm confident that you will find it an immensely rewarding experience. I want to thank you all for listening. God bless.